Yes, class, good morning. Today we will discuss here a new topic, operation of the real numbers. So first of all, discuss here the properties of the rational numbers and irrational numbers both. So what is the property of this commutative property, associative property, distributive property, and others, addition rule, multiplication rule, and division and subtraction rules. When you multiply by two rational numbers, the result will come always in the rational. When you divide by two rational numbers, the result always come in the rational numbers. When you subtract two rational numbers, the result always come in the rational numbers. When you addition to rational numbers, the result come also in the rational number. But when you multiply by two irrational numbers, the result sometime come in the rational, a result sometime come in the irrational. When you multiply by irrational number, the result sometimes come in the rational, sometimes come in the irrational. Same thing when you divide two rational numbers, the sometime result come in the rational, sometime come the result is irrational. So what is the property of the real number of this? Real number means rational or irrational combinations. The number is from the real number. So for example, suppose you are writing here 2 root 5. 2 root 5 here irrational number. This one is the irrational number, and 6 root 5. This one also here the irrational number. This and both here irrational number. But when you add both number, when you add means 2 root 5 plus 6 root 5. So what result come here? 8 root 5. And this one also is the irrational. This number is the irrational number. This number is the irrational number. When you add the two irrational number, the result is come the irrational. Same things here. When you multiply 2 root 5 multiply 6 root 5. So then 6 multiply by rational to rational, 6 to the 2 into 6, and root 5 into root 5. So means 5. So 6 to the 12, 12 has the 60. The answer here comes 60. This is the rational. This one is the rational. When you multiply by both the irrational number, the result there comes in the rational. When you addition to rational number, the result comes in the irrational. When you subtract 6 root 5 minus 2 root 5, result here come 4 root 5, and this one also is irrational number. This one also is the irrational. Subtraction of the two irrational number is irrational. When you divide by 6 root 5 divided by 2 root 5, so what result come here? 2 3 is 6 and root 5 cancelled. Root only 3 here. This is the rational number. Means same number you are doing different operations. You are doing the different operation of your. This is a division. This one is the division. You are doing the different operation. The given question. This one is the question you are. But result sometime come when you add, the result come in the irrational. When you multiply, result come the rational. When you subtract, result come the irrational. And when you divide, result come here rational. So this is the property of the rational and irrational. So in this type number is called the real numbers. Their number also is real because this is a irrational number. But sometime when you multiply rational or irrational, result always come in the irrational. Suppose question number 2. Suppose you multiply 3 into root 7, the result will come 3 root 7. So this one is the rational number, or this one is the irrational number. The result always come in the irrational number. When you multiply by rational or irrational, result always come in the irrational. Suppose here multiply rational number, but this is not always. Sometime when you add by the rational, the result come the rational. Sometime you multiply, the result come also the irrational. Sometimes different question situation is the different. Irrational number not always come in the irrational, always not come in the rational. But this is a situation depend on this condition of the questions. in which type question you are given. Just note down. Then next questions. Yes, class. Next, I am taking the 3 questions here, simplification questions. First question here: if 5 plus root 7 into 2 plus root 5. Second question here: 5 plus root 5 and 5 minus root 5. Next question here: root 3 plus root 7 is the whole square. I am taking 3 questions here. Or 3 questions in the multiplication, or 3 questions is here. 3 questions are like form in the irrational form. When you multiply this, what result come, rational or irrational? The 3 questions, different type questions here. Or 3 questions are, this question is the irrational form, this question is the irrational form, and this question is also the irrational form. But when you multiply in these questions, then result will come the different. Yes, now start the solution here. First question here. When you multiply 5 plus root 7, 5 plus root 7 and multiply by 2 plus root 5. What result come here? First of all, you will multiply 5. 5 is a rational number and 2 plus root 5 is a irrational number. First multiply by 2 plus root 5. Second plus root 7 and 2 plus root 5. First of all, how to solve this question here? First, multiply by 5 in this number, and then plus 7 you write here, and then 2 plus root 5 you write here. Then you multiply inside. 5 to the 10. What is it come? 5 to the 10 plus 5 root 5. First 5 to the 10 and then 5 root 5. 5 into 5 root 5 is 5 root 5. Same thing here. 2 root 7 to 2 root 7. Don't multiply the inside here. Don't multiply this with 5 5 25. Because this is the irrational number or this one is the rational number. So when you multiply by rational irrational, the result comes the irrational. The 5 root 5. You will write in this form 5 root 5. Same thing. This one is the rational and this one is the irrational. So then you multiply here. So 2 root 7 plus root 5 or root 7 is root 35. 7 5 is 35. Because both number here like form. Root 7 irrational or root 5 irrational. So both in the like form. So then you can multiply root 7, root 5, root 35. Or this and this are root 7 or root 2 is the unlike numbers. Because this one is the rational, this one is the irrational. This is the unlike. And root 5 or root 7 is the like form because this is the irrational number. The like form number you can easily multiply. Unlike number you cannot easily multiply. Here you can write it in this form. After that you add this root 5, root 7, root 35 here. So 10 plus 5 root 5 plus 2 root 7. Simplify this. 7 5 is 35. So no any multiplication yet. This is your final answer. 35 is not any square number here. So 7 5 is 35. So no addition here, not addition here. So this is your final answer. Because 35, root 7 and root 5, every number here unlike number. This is the rational. This one irrational. This one irrational. This one irrational. All numbers are unlike form. So this is your final result. Second number. Second part as you solve here. Second part. 5 plus root 5 multiply 5 minus root 5. Means this is the number. 5 plus root 5, this is the irrational number, or 5 minus root 5, this is also the irrational number. But when multiply you, what result come here? Then now look. The first multiplier A plus B or A minus B. You have the one identity here. What identity here? A plus B and A minus B. What identity? A square minus B square. You can use this. Identity. Then result will become easily come here. Suppose you will not use the identity, then result come with the same, but result will come in the long term. The first A place here 5 and B place here root 5. A plus B, same thing, A place here 5 and B place here 2 minus root 5. You can write here square of the 5 minus square of the root 5. A place here you equating this. A place here 5 and B plus B place here root 5. Same A place here 5, B place here minus root 5. the a square minus what result come this a square minus b square. So what result come here? Square of the 5 is 25. Root square of the 5 is 5. When you square the square of the 5 is 25. Square of the root 5 is 5. Means root 5 into root 5. Root 5 into root 5, you can write the 5. So there root 5 into root 5 is 5. And now subtract this, what result come here? 30. This one is the rational number. What is the result come here? You are multiplying two irrational number. When you multiply two irrational number, result here come rational. When you multiply same things here, the irrational number you are multiplying. Here multiplying irrational number, the result come here irrational. Same thing here you are multiplying irrational number, but result will come in the rational number. So this is the depend on the questions. Which type value given here? Which type value given here? The value is the rational, irrational, but which type value given here? The result come all rational or irrational. This will not come always the rational. This will not come always the irrational. Sometime come the rational, sometime come on the irrational. So then, and third part here. First of all, note down it. Yes, class. Next, third part question. Third part here given. The third part questions here. The root 3 plus root 7 is whole square. So what value come here? Root 3 and root. You have one identity here. A plus b is a whole square. What identity using here? A place here right root 3. B place here right root 7. A place b whole square. This is your equating the identity and questions here. A place root 3 and b place here root 7. Then whole square here. A square plus b square plus 2ab. You can use this identity here. A place means root 3 place here you can use the a, and root 7 place here using your b. The a square plus b square plus 2ab. Using this identity here same. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So now the root 3 plus a place here root 3 square plus root b place here root 7 square plus 2 into root 3 into root 7. First of all, AB, 2AB here. Then square of the root 3 is 3. The square of root 7 is 7 plus 2, 7 3 is 21. Because this is the like form. Root 3, root 7, the both are irrational number. The like from the root 3, the root 7, root 21, and 2 is the irrational number. So you will not multiply in 21. You will write it outside. 2 into root 21. And then now adding, because both the number are rational, then you can add here 10 plus 2 root 21. So this result come here irrational result. Irrational. So now you check this condition. In first condition, number irrational, result also is irrational. Second condition, number irrational, but result is rational. Third condition also here, number is irrational, but result come also is irrational. So when you multiply two irrational numbers, it means when you multiply two irrational number, the sometime result come in the rational or sometime result come in the rational. So you understand these things. The result will not come in the rational, always not come rational. Result will not come always in the irrational. Sometime this will depend on the questions. In which type the question given here, in which type data given in the questions, then depend on the questions. Always you will not come in the same result. Yes, you note down the next. Yes class, next topic I am taking rationalizations of the irrational numbers. What is the rationalization of the irrational numbers here? So first of all, what is the rationalizations? Rationalization means suppose any number, any question having in denominator is the irrational numbers, then you will be converting the rational numbers also. Suppose 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2, the root 2 is the irrational numbers. The root 2 is irrational number, then you will be converted rational number. How to convert it, then we'll discuss one by one here. Suppose sometime the irrational number in the monomial form, sometime irrational number in the binomial form, sometime irrational number in the multinomial form. Then you will be convert one by one. Every question having takes the different type. Suppose it is a monomial, then you will be multiply and divide by the monomial same numbers. Suppose you are rationalize with the binomial form, then you will be multiply and divide by the conjugate form. What is the conjugate of the given questions? Denominator is conjugate, then you multiply and divide. Then you will be convert this in rational form. So now we'll discuss one by one here. First question here given, rationalize the denominator of 1 upon 2 plus root 3. So this one is the binomial form, not monomial form. Monomial form only the root 2 here. This is the monomial form. Only one number having this is called the monomial form. This one is called the binomial form. Because here only one term, this is the monomial. So how to convert it? Then you multiply by root 2 and same number multiply root divide. So root 2 1 is equal to root 2 and root 2 into root 2 2. So this one is converted in the rational form. Because irrational number when you multiply same number convert in the rational number. And this is your final answer, rationalization form. But this is the monomial form. But here question given in the binomial form. The root 2 plus root 3 complete number here the irrational. But separate way this is the rational plus irrational. The complete number here comes the irrational. So how to convert it? Then first solution here. Solution first. First of all you write the question here 2 plus root 3. And this question in the binomial form, then you will be convert here. Then you will multiply by 2 plus, what is the conjugate of this? 2 plus root 3 is 2 minus root 3. Same number 2 minus root 3. When you convert the binomial form of the rational form, then you will be multiply and divide conjugate of the denominator, conjugate of the denominators. Then you multiply and divide here. But then, so what the result come here? So 2 minus root 3 will be one time, the same number will come here. And same identity here, a plus b and a minus b. So you have the one identity here, a plus b. I am already discussed with you, a plus b, a minus b, what result come here? A square minus b square. So you always, denominator come with the, always come in this form, always, not a single question, always come in this form. So you will be writing the a square minus b square. So yes, the a place here you are writing 2 and b place you are writing here root 3. So root 2 square, square of the 2 minus square of the root 3. So what result come here in last? Square of the root 2 is 4 and root 3 is 3 and 2 minus root 3, this will be not changed. Numerator will be not changed, denominator will be rationalized. The 4 minus the result come is 1. So here, what result come here? 2 minus root 3. This is your final answer. 2 minus root 3 your rational number upon 1. So your denominator here converted in the rational number. But in question here, you check this question, this is the irrational form, this one is the irrational form, or this result from the rational form. But in this process is called the rationalization process. Name of this process is called the rationalization process, because you are irrational number convert to rational number. Always suppose your question given in the binomial form, so you will be multiply and divide conjugate of the denominators. And then denominator will be always form of this identity, always, not single question, always a plus b, a minus b, and identity a square minus b square. And then within the identity and then calculate and the answer will come here. In next step you will answer here, the decimal form answer. The next question we will solve here. Same question here next. Question number 2. Question number 2, rationalize all the questions this. Solution number 2. 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. This question also in the irrational form. In this question, one irrational, one rational. But in this question, both are here irrational form. Irrational minus irrational. But you are not subtracting. You are doing here rationalize, not subtracting here. You are doing here rationalize. The same things here. This is also in the binomial form, not monomial form. Because there are two terms, root 7 and root 6 are two terms. This form is called the binomial form. So then you will be multiply and divide conjugate of the denominators. Then you multiply root 7 plus root 6 and root 7 plus root 6, and using bracket sign. If you will not use the bracket sign, then multiplication process is wrong. Always use the bracket sign. In monomial form, binomial form, you always use the bracket sign. Okay, root 7 minus root 6, one bracket. What is the conjugate of this? So root 7 plus root 6 and multiply at same number you will be here divide. The same number will divide. So what result come here? Same identity here. Give root a minus b and a plus b. The result will become here root 7 square minus root 6 square. What same result here? Root 7 plus root 6. So what result come here? Root 7 plus root 6. Then multiply at square of the root 7 is 7. Square of the root 6 is 6. So what result come here? Root 7 minus root 6 upon 1. This is the always this form or this one you check. Denominator always come here. Rational number means mostly 1, 2, 3. Always not come is the 1. This is not fixed. Always come here. Sometime 1, sometime 2, sometime 3. Denominator is not always come here. This is depend on the values here. Irrational values. What value of the irrational here? Then depend the denominator. But this is the fixed. This will come always in the rational number. This is the fixed. When you are using this fixed, the denominator always come here the rational number. Always come in the rational, but not always come in the. Yes, student, you will be this always denominator always come in the rational numbers, and question always suppose you are given in the binomial form, the rational denominator always come in the rational form. The first and second question this is solved here. Then we will start the third questions here. The first all of you note down it. Yes, student, discussing the third questions here. Suppose question given in the binomial form and irrational number in the start first and rational number is the second. How to solve? Same method will be solving here. You will be multiply and divide by the conjugate of the denominators. Now start the solution here. Solution number third. What is the questions here? Question given here. Root 7 is the irrational number and 2 here given in the rational number. Rational number come with the first and second form. This is not change it. The method will be solving the same technique you will using when you using the question number first. Then you will multiply by a conjugate of the denominators. Here denominator root 7 minus 2 and here given root 7 plus 2. Conjugate of root 7 minus 2 here only sign will be changed. Number will become same here. Root 7, 2. But here minus sign, the conjugate of minus sign will plus. Suppose you write the plus, then you multiply here sign is minus. The conjugate of the plus sign, this is the minus, or conjugate of the minus sign is plus sign. So then same thing to multiply here. A place here, what is the identity using here? A plus B and A minus B, same identity A square minus B square. The A place here root 7 and B place here 2. The root 7 square minus square of the 2 and root 7 plus 2 in the root 7 plus 2 will write the same number here. This will be not changed. Same identity A square minus B square. The root square of the root 7 is the 7 minus square of the 2 is 4 and root 7 plus 2. So what result come here? 7 plus 2 is 9 and sorry 7 this will not add here because it's the irrational number. Root 7 plus 2, this is the always write this one because this is the irrational number. Root 7 and 2 is the unlike in the unlike form here. So this will the subtract 7 minus 4 result come the 3. In this question come here, this you will get root 7 plus 3 plus 2 by 3. You can add in this form, otherwise you can add in this form. Both answer you are correct. Suppose you write in this form, the answer is correct. Suppose you write in this form, then answer also is correct. Both form is the correct. Suppose question given in the binomial form, how to convert it the rational number, we will use these tricks. Multiplication, multiply and divide by the conjugate of the denominators. Always you will using these tricks, then you will get the correct answer. Yes, note down it.